thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you episode 1 of my spring clean with me, and the first thing I did that morning was go ahead and put my pillows into the washing machine. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm so excited about this video and the videos to come. So make sure, if you're not already, push that subscribe button so you can be part of my little YouTube family. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. So whenever I like to clean my ceiling fans, I like to use the trick of the pillowcase, because whenever you are wiping it down, it just goes straight into the pillowcase. It doesn't make a mess, and then you just throw it right into the wash machine. So Q-tips are like my best friend when it comes to cleaning, especially deep cleaning. You can get in the nooks and crannies of places, and so I definitely use a pretty good bit of Q-tips while deep cleaning.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking
So it wouldn't be a cleaning or deep cleaning video without getting up under your bed. So I just wanted to go ahead and just get this mattress taken off so I can get up under the bed and actually clean the bed frame.
'Cause I've been thinking about you.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, 'cause your love is what I want.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering videos, any type of homemaking, cooking, you name it, I do it. So if you like that kind of content, please make sure that you push that subscribe button, and also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when
So in this clip, I am doing a slow vacuum, which you can't tell because I did speed it up, but I wanted to make sure I got this rug really good and clean before I brought out my carpet cleaner. And again, I'm going to be going really slow with the carpet cleaner, but you probably won't tell because I do speed up the video.
Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head, I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you.
So now I'm just going in with my steam mop, and I absolutely love my steam mop. It is a sharp mop, and I use it a lot in my floors just because we have hardwood floors, and so we do mop a lot since we don't have carpet in our house except for the rugs. But this is definitely my favorite mop that I've owned.
So close to my body, I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
So now I'm just bringing the mattress back into the bedroom, but I'm not going to do my entire room. I made sure I split this video up into 2 parts because I didn't want it to be too long, but definitely had some very satisfying befores and afters, so make sure you stick around for that so you can see just how dirty this room really was.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end.
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is, again, the first episode, so just get ready. Episode 2 is going to be something. It's going to be mind-blowing. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Waking up without you by my side, I still see your silhouette.